Hey guys, Dr. Zach here at the Infinity Wellness Center. So what we're going to be talking about here at Dr. Troy, we're going to be talking about some range of motion, all right? We should have even motion with our cervical spine to make sure that our neck is moving in all directions the way it's supposed to, equally on all directions. So what we're going to start off first, we're going to laterally bend your head over to the side. Now we'll go to the other side, come back to the center. Now we should be able to rotate our head each direction. Just like that. Next one's going to be tucking your chin down like a nodding, yes, and bring your head back. Now when we do all three of these different motions, there should be no pain whatsoever. The joints should be gliding, the muscles should be moving the way they should be. If you do experience any sort of neck pain, tension, or limited motion one way versus the other way, so as he turns his head this way, it only goes so far, but if he goes the other way and goes even further, typically what that means is there is subluxation or a misalignment within the joints that's limiting the way his body should actually be functioning the way it's supposed to. So if you do experience any of this at home, these are simple, easy tests that you can do that might indicate you might need to come in and get an evaluation to see which vertebrae, which muscle is causing some of this tension, not allowing you the full motion that it's supposed to have.